Hey there, mga my love, Scorpio. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ng inyong reading, our content pala is we're gonna take a look at you and your journey, in the journey of your soulmate right here, Scorpio. So this person could be already in your life. You could be connecting with this person right here. For others, it could be entering pa lang sa buhay ninyo, or this person hasn't entered yet, but soon this person will. Let's find out more. Yeah. Okay? Kung ano yung true intentions and feelings niya for you guys. Let's get to know more about your soulmate right here. So, let's see. Spirits and angel, guys. Just bear with me. Medyo malaki lang yung ating deck. Pero, this is beautiful deck right here. So, let's see. This is for Scorpio. Spirits and angel, guys. Sir Angel Marco, thank you so much. Tell me something about Scorpio's soulmate right here. Give me time sa pagbabala sa mga babes, no? Kapag nahuli natin yung energy, edi nahuli. Yeah, yun yung role ng pagbabalasa. And yeah, this is challenging kasi medyo new yung ating cards pero na-cleanse na rin naman to. And of course, okay, this is somewhat here um, one of tarot reader or energy reader's way to catch up the right energy meant na marinig ang mga readings nito. Okay? This is for Scorpio soulmate here. Tell me something about Scorpio soulmate, the person that they're dealing with or about to deal with right here in a heart space level. This is for Scorpio. Okay, let's go, Scorpio. So, Scorpio, your soulmate's first energy right here, we've got the Vampire. So, vampire right here makes you aware that someone or something is draining your life force. You know what I'm getting right here? This person is not someone here na kukuha or tawag nito, manghihingi ng resources like money or anything na material things from you. Hindi. Ang nakukuha ko rito with the vampire in upright position, this is someone here, okay, na gusto niya rito yung kunin yung time, affection, love mo. Yan, no? So, this person, in short, enjoys being with you. This soulmate of yours only wants your energy. Kasi, when a vampire right here, di ba minsan meron silang tina-target ditong victim. And I'm not saying na they're gonna suck your blood right here. What they want from you is your attention, your babe time together, bonding time together, sharing moments, having fun, yan, no? Yun yung mas gusto niya. Yun yung mas nilolook forward niya dito. So, kung sino man tong energies na ito, no, nakukuha ko rito, na siya yung klase rito ng individual na nag enjoy rito na nagsispend siya ng time here with you. So, this person, pag nag-text ka, nag-chat ka, no, excited siya to read that and to response doon, no? Medyo nakakuha lang tayo dito na parang medyo may konting mainipin lang siya rito. I'm seeing some kind of that shadow in here, no, na parang dugo naman yung mag-reply, ganyan, no. Pero to the point na hindi naman niya ninanag yun or hindi naman niya parang nire-require na mag-reply ka kagad, no. This person just enjoys okay, the flow of conversation. So, pag magkausap kayo, malamang mapapansin mo rito, no, Scorpio, na, ayun ba yan, matutulog na agad. Di, mag-usap muna tayo. Ano ba, 4 a.m. na? So, parang gano'n, no? So, this person, hindi niya rito mga babes 'no, na mamalayan yung time kapag kasama ka niya 'no, at medyo nalulungkot siya 'no, kasi alam mo yung parang natatapos rito yung time na magkasama kayo. Kunwari, uwian na kasi, 'di kailangan niya ng umuwi 'no, or kasi kailangan na pumasok sa work 'yan 'no, at kailangan niyo muna mag-temporary na maghiwalay kasi you have to go to school or to work right here. Different paths 'no, papuntang school or papuntang work dito. So whatever the case may be, this person right here enjoys your company in a heart space level. At sa'yo lang siya nag-e-enjoy ng company. Kasi a vampire, when vampire here sees a target, yun lang talaga yung kanya ritong pagpupukusan. So yeah, let's see more about this person right here, Scorpio, your soulmate. Let's get to know more. So we have here the mediator. So gift for negotiating fairness and strategy in personal and professional life. Respect for both sides of an argument. So this could be someone here who is honest, someone here na fair and balanced, no? So siya ay laging tagapamagitan. Hindi siya rito yung klase ng individual na may bias or may kinakampihan. So this person, okay, could be somewhat lawyer specifically for others of you, or baka may background siya ng study or napag-aralan nila yun no, nung nag-aaral pa siya, or baka ngayon, baka may hoxing or student dito. So whatever the case may be, regardless, this person has this fair balance, no? Pagdating dito sa personal niyang buhay at sa kanyang trabaho. So doesn't have to be, pwedeng any trabaho niya, mga babes, no? Kahit ano trabaho niya rito, no? Could be. But this person has respect for everything. So, kung may nag-away man dito at may hindi nagkakaintindihan, no, this person makes sure to hear both sides first before making some kind of fair judgment. So, whatever the case may be, this person is always looking for a solution and not to meddle in a way na may kakampihan. So, hindi siya ganon. So, I'm saying that this person could be honest and I don't know why nakakita ko rito na parang napofocus ako rito sa kanya short hair. So, this could probably be na siya ay literal sigurong short hair right now if this is a feminine energy, okay? But doesn't have to be na pang short hair lang to. I'm also picking up that this person could be explorer kasi mahilig siya mag-explore dito ng mga ideas. Yeah. So this person could be possibly na medyo pagdating sa kanyang isipan, medyo siya ay magaling, no? Iba yung brain niya eh. Parang pagdating din sa decision making at saka detail oriented, siyang siya. So, I'm picking up that this is someone here na nagde-decide based sa kung saan makabubuti or anong ikabubuti ng lahat. So, kung may argumento man rito or kung siya man yung nasa loob ng isang argumento, no, hindi niya hinahayaan dito, no, hindi siya yung kuda. Hindi siya yung sigaw agad, hindi siya yung nagsasalita agad ng walang sense. This person, kung bad trip siya sa isang person or may pagtatalo rito at siya mismo yung katalo, no, or kausap or what, kaaway, no, this person hears the other party out before making some kind of reaction or feedback doon. So yeah, this person is always going kung saan rito magkakaroon ng fairness at balance. So yeah. So might be a policeman for others of you. I'm also picking up that or might be meron siyang background sa military but doesn't have to be yan, no? Kasi lahat tayo meron. Sino ba dito hindi dumaan sa Girl Scouts or Boy Scouts? Pwede din ba yun, Miss Yan? Oo naman, no? Military, yes. Ano, nag-CAT nga kami nung high school. No? Pumunta kami dyan sa Mount Makiling. 3 days kami doon mga babes. No? Tapos yung jugkain mo, kailangan mo panalo mo yun sa mga activities. Pag hindi, jutom. So, ganun yun, no? Applicable yun, just take how this resonates, of course. So, let's see more Scorpio. We have here the child, wounded, awakens compassion and desire to serve other. Wounded children opens the learning path of forgiveness. So, yeah. For others of you, this could be not for everybody, pero maaaring siya ay nagkaroon na siya ng trauma nung siya ay bata pa lang. Pero ang maganda nito, no, bata pa lang siya noon, natuto na siya rito magpatawad. So, pwedeng may nakasakit sa kanya noon, no, na nag-cause ng trauma sa kanya, which is puwedeng naiisip at naaalala niya ngayon, pero yun din yung nagbukas ng path para rin maging ganito siya. See? If this is an orphanage right here or an orphan, no, na nilagay sa isang ampunan right here or siya ay naulila, no, before, yan, no, sa kanyang past, nakikita ko rito na this is still a very loving person. Kasi pinili niyang maging ganun. Hindi siya nagtanim ng hatred, hindi rin siya rito nagtanim ng sama ng loob sa life or kay universe na this person is yes, no, nasaktan siya nung bata pa lang siya, which is a sad part right here and might be unfortunate with other people, pero hindi ko yun nakikita sa kanya. Mas naging daan pa nga ito upang maging mabuti siyang tao. At kung hindi naman siya na naging orphan, no, or kung sino man yung nakasakit sa kanya, whether iniwan siya ng kanyang mom or ng dad niya, no, dahil hindi hindi dito siya maitaguyod before or dahil because of the status in life, no, may ganun kasing cases but doesn't have to be na yun. Example lang yun mga babes, no, at nakita sila ulit, no, this person tends to forgive that person, his or her real biological parent. So, yeah. Pero doesn't have to be that case. Basta kung ano yung bagay na parang nagkaroon siya ng trauma, no, nung siya ay bata pa lang, no, ito ay magaling na. Kasi nakikita ko siya rito na para siya ritong nagkaroon ng renewal sa sarili niya to the point na mas naging mabuti siya ritong tao. Na hindi niya hinayaan, no, na kainin siya ng kanyang mga traumas, no. Tingin ko nag-shadow work ito. Yeah. Hinarap niya rito ng buong tapang yung lahat ng fears at kinatatakutan niya sa life, kaya na-conquer niya ito. Yeah. Okay? In order for you to conquer your own fear, kailangan mo rin magkaroon rito, no, ng sapat na lakas na harapin ito at siya, bongga, nagawa niya yun. So, yeah. Hindi ko nakikita na makaapekto ito, no? Itong pangyayari na to in the past, ano man yun. Maririnig mo yan sa kanya. Ikikwento niya yan sa'yo, ano man yan, na pinagdaanan niya before. Yeah. Bata pa lang siya na-experience niya na yan, pero yan ay hindi na makakaapekto sa kanya at hindi na nakakaapekto sa mundo niya ngayon, Scorpio. So, let's see more. We have here the Virgin. Ang dami nakakuha nito, no? So, it looks like everybody right here is getting someone here na nagkaroon ng self-love, inalagaan niya yung sarili niya, nakita niya yung worth niya, minahal niya yung sarili niya, may respeto siya rito. And yeah, in order for you to love others, you must love yourself first. At yun yung natutunan niya rito. At kung ito man, mga babes, no, ay kakonek mo, be happy because this is someone here faithful. I'm saying that this person, kung meron man siyang history when it comes to love, maaari talaga na strong na hindi lalampas, no, sa tatlo, baka nga dalawa or isa lang, no, yung kanya ritong mga naka-in relationship. This person is someone here could be literal rin siguro na siya ay virgin, wherein this person believes in the sacredness of marriage and kanya ritong soul. So, pwedeng siya rito, no, ay parang willing lang siya na ibigay dito yung kanyang all, no, yung all the love or all of him or her with the right one. Alam niya yun. Kung sino yun, alam niya yun at mararamdaman niya yun, no? At kung ikaw yun na napili niya, you're lucky because this person right here, okay, is someone who's faithful with you. I'm seeing that this person believes in marriage with the mediator as well. Mediator with the virgin right here is an indication right here that this person is looking for a long-term commitment. And if you happen to be this person's soulmate, and this person is in your life or entering your life right here, definitely, this person sees high potential of you being his or her future spouse in his or her journey of life. So, wow! Scorpio, yun ang nakikita ko dito sa inyo mga babes. And at the bottom of the deck, we've got right here the Thief. Sheds light on the potential wealth within you that can never be stolen. Yeah, tip in, tip. Lumulok kasi. Thief, yan, no? Thief in a pride position means that this is person right here who is, siya yung klase ng person, no, na gagawin niya yung lahat para magkaroon siya rito, no, ng wealth. Pero sa sarili niya ritong sipag at tiyaga. Yeah, this person right here Ayan o, sheds light on the potential wealth within you that can never be stolen. I-discover niya sa sarili niya, ano pa ba yung mga strength niya, like skills, talents, no? Yan yung mga gagamitin niyang mga tools para mas maabot niya, no, yung tagumpay or success pa sa kanyang life. Gagamitin niya yan yung knowledge, yung ideas, yung mga naiisip niya rito, and yun yung magiging puhunan niya para mas makaipon dito, no? At mas magkaroon rito ng magandang flow ng money. So, yun yun, no? So, this person is not thief na magnanakaw siya or kukunin niya rito yung resources mo. Hindi, di ba? Dun pa lang sa bumper, hindi na yun yung nakuha natin. So, this person actually with the thief, this person will definitely steal your heart. You know? At itatago niya yan sa kanya. Yan. Alam mo, medyo mahiyain siya, no? I think medyo mahiyain siya. Tsaka, hindi siya masyadong showy in the public, no? Yung love, so pwedeng ganon, love niya for you. Pero this is the type of energy right here na pag kayo lang talagang super sweet, na siguro shy types lang talaga siya. Shy types. With the thief right here, I think magugulat ka rin kasi maybe this is someone here that you do not expect na nakakahuli, no, ng yung puso or ng yung kiliti right here, but it happened na. Yes, Scorpio. This person will really make you fall in love and will get your heart. Ayun. See, this is someone here who's wearing corporate attire. So this could probably be someone here na nagwo-work sa isang company with a high position already but will discover more sa kanyang sarili kung paano pa niya mai-improve ang kanya rito money and finances. So yeah, maybe this person is seeing for other investments, and with the scribe, maaring mahilig siya magsulat or baka parte ng kanyang trabaho rito, no, ang pagsusulat. So, pwedeng siya literal na writer or doesn't have to be. Pwede rin naman na meron siyang journal or diary. But this person right here, no, sabi ko sa inyo no, knowledge and information, preserving knowledge and information. So, pag may mga idea siya, sinusulat niya, no, para hindi niya nakakalimutan. At yan yung ginagamit niya, no, para mas ma-improve pa dito ang kanyang life. With this scribe right here, I'm picking up that this is someone here who is, might be may pagka-interest na sa mga poems or sa mga tula. Pwede rin naman na mga sa lyrics ng kanta or pwedeng sa music itself. Nakikita ko siya na pwedeng habang siya ay nagsusulat or nag-iisip ng mga ideas, no? Doesn't have to be na sobrang tahimik. Sometimes, this person here tends to think while listening habang may pinakikinggang music, whether ito ay naka-earphones or not. Yeah, this person is really someone here na mas nakakapag-focus kapag ka meron siya ritong music around him or her. That's what I'm picking up. So yeah, let's get more about this soulmate of yours, Scorpio. Tell me more about the soulmate of Scorpio, please. There could be an age gap right here. Like for others, yeah. Could be I'm picking up 10 years kind of thing. But let's not get fixed with the age. Nakakita lang kasi ako rito ng someone sa inyo na you could be, yung partner ninyo is pwedeng mas matanda sa inyo. And possible na less than or 10 years. Okay. Let's see. Scorpio, ano pa dito, guys? So, we have here the soulfulness. Yeah, this person right, tinan mo to mga babes, no? Parehas ninyong hawak, no? Parehas ninyo rito na mai-steal ang puso ng isa't isa in a very deep soul level. Soulfulness is right here. So definitely, I'm picking up the maaaring sobrang simple mo manamit or baka favorite mo yung mga simple lang, no? Like mga minimalist, no, na mga damit, like or for others of you, I'm picking up that specifically, but most likely in general, you're gonna steal each other's heart. Yung iba nakakonect na to, you've already stolen each other's hearts. I'm seeing two people right here na reciprocate ang inyong love and affection. There's balance in here. There's definitely right here you're on the same page with this person and you're seeing eye to eye. And we've got right here the king. Yeah, you're dealing someone here with this high authority, high honor sa trabaho or baka business owner yan. So kung sino man yan mga babes na may stability yan with the three right here, no, sabi ko sa inyo eh. But this person is also willing pa, no, na magkaroon ng expansion, magkaroon rito ng grow pa sa money niya, no, para mas makapag-provide siya rito more. And I'm seeing that this person right here is actually very nurturing kasi we have here the bird in the nest. So it looks like this person right here could be family oriented, very nurturing, very caring sa kanyang own family right here. And this person is someone here na maaalagaan niya kayo. And this person will stay by your side, very grounded and humble. Yeah. I'm seeing someone here no na medyo pagod lang yung energy niya. Kasi siguro parang nakukuha ko dito na parang yung work niya has something to do with punta dito, punta doon, no? Parang meeting here, meeting there, traveling here, traveling there, yan, no? Tsaka alam mo yung parang nakita lang ko dito na parang after ng travel, na nakaupo rin sa kanya rito na desk and then iidlip kind of thing. That type of individual. Yeah. But this individual feels calm and relaxed right here. So definitely this is the type of energy right here na pagod man pero hindi yung frustrated na ayoko na ng trabahong to, ayoko na nito, blah blah blah. Hindi. Kasi gusto niya yung ginagawa niya. Mahal niya yung ginagawa niya. It's just that this person is just relaxing, taking a nap, might be thinking about you. Yeah, see, frozen. So this person could be living in a country kung saan merong season na winter or snow. So whatever the case may be, doesn't have to be. But I'm picking up that this person, you could probably, if wala pa to sa life ninyo, you could probably meet this person right here. Okay? On Christmas Day. On Christmas month, let's just say December or when Christmas is getting closer or nearer right here and picking up that there is some kind of pagtatagpo dito. Especially kung ikaw yung lilipad papunta doon sa bansa na may snow or may malamig na klima. Doesn't have to be na eksaktong may snow or whatever. So whatever the case may be, yung iba kasi mga babes, no, pwedeng mapadaan lang sa isang gallery or sa isa rito na parang um, museum, no? Tapos merong display na related to Christmas or snow, pwede rin yun. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing changes in your love life right here. Tsaka yung ibang tagal nyo naging single, no? Kaya deserve nyo to. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. See, it's snowy season pero may namukadkad na bulaklak dun sa puno. So, ibig sabihin, this relationship will gonna bloom. You know, I'm seeing two lovey-dovey's birds in there. So, definitely, I'm seeing that this is something here that's gonna sprout beautifully. This is, by the way, deer. So there is a symbol right here of Ace of Coins energy. So definitely, panibagong simula ito for you guys. And picking up na this is something as well that this king or queen, wala tayong gender dito, is also looking forward sa kanyang life. So new beginning rin yung pagdating mo and this person will feel lucky and blessed as well. Yeah, upon entering you in your life. And upon upon you enter into this person's life. Ano do? And we have here the self-reliance. So, yeah. Alam mo yung bansang to, malamang talaga, pwedeng taga-ibang bansa siya. Doesn't have to be na foreigner, pero pwede rin na may iba kayong culture or belief. I'm seeing fall season. Pero pwede rin naman na nagpa-picture kayo at galing na kayo sa isang fall season na bansa, galing na kayo dun sa kung san siya naninirahan or san siya talaga rito, no, nakadestino kasi pwedeng nagwo-work siya dyan. But I'm seeing na dun sa different seasons na ito, I'm picking up, jot it down, might be winter season, snowy season right here, or there's this fall season. I'm picking up that this person right here, okay, maaasahan siya dito and alam mo yung parang siya yung klase ng person dito, no, na very free yung spirit niya, very outgoing dito, no, wala siya ditong iniisip na problem actually. Nag-enjoy lang siya dito. no, in his or her work right here. So definitely I'm seeing that this person gives you bliss and make you feel blissful as well. Make you feel happy, or this is like a refreshment for you guys. A breath of a fresh air for you, Scorpio. That's what I'm sensing. So whoever this energies is, and I'm seeing a lot of nature vibes. So pwedeng makilala mo rin siya when you are out and about, no? Traveling, vacation on a nature like spots or beach or forest, or might be camping, hiking where there's mountains, falls. Definitely, you're gonna meet this person. Kasi wala siyang time. Alam mo, parang wala siyang time dito kasi puro siya work, 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 work. At kung makikilala mo pa lang siya, maaring makilala mo to kapag siya ay nag-unwind at makita mo siya na parang nagpi-fishing siya doon, na tamang huli lang ng isda, no, near the lake, yung mga ganyan. Okay? But you do not know that this person is with high honor or maganda yung trabaho niya. Ganun siya. So baka marinig mo yun sa kanya or narinig mo na kasi yung iba kadil nyo na to. Yan. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck, we have here the si pagtatagpo. Alam mo, nakita ko to, itong mga matataas na trees na to. Si magbubunga talaga to ng love. See, pula yung mga flowers no doon. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that this will really bloom into something beautiful right here, Scorpio. Like kung sino man to, na nakikita ko kayo rito, na magkakaroon kayo rito ng banayad na flow of emotions, and this will naturally unfold. Hindi ito mabilis na mangyayari at hindi rin mabilis na magkakaroon dito ng love, but it will unfold very naturally and beautifully. So, wow, definitely you're gonna meet this person. High chance na sa ibang bansa talaga ito, or galing siyang ibang bansa, or baka din siya nag-work, kind of thing. Strongly what I'm getting right here. Or baka papaalis pa lang siya ngayon, no? Or baka magbe-vacation siya rito, or baka kayo yun, pupunta kayo dun sa kanilang bansa. So whatever the case may be, doesn't have to be a foreigner, but could be. Yeah. So thank you so much, Scorpio. Sana may love and life.